Here's a nice view from the window. Yep, the bunny is completely gone. And I don't know if we can see. Oh, yep, there he is down there in the corner, the rooster. All right, y'all, it's 2 o'clock and his tail feathers are starting to get covered. Oh my goodness. Hi. Where are you? There you are. All right, y'all, it's 5:30. It is now starting to get over his feathers. And yeah, he is getting super buried. Okay, his bottom half of his beak is covered, but it looks like it's actually stopped snowing. So, y'all, this might be the end.